Hey y'all, so as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing two-strand twists. I've done this a couple times on my channel. This is one of my favorite natural hairstyles to do. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to say that my ends are like extremely bad. I have not got my ends clipped ever since I big chopped. My hair has just been growing and I really need my ends trimmed. So that's why they look a little raggedy, and y'all gonna see during the video me showing y'all my ends like up close. I just wanted to mention that. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. So that first twist is actually messed up, and y'all gonna see in a few I do it over. But my technique is really simple. So I take a big piece of hair. I've learned that big pieces of hair work better than small pieces of hair. So I take a big piece of hair, I spray it with water, and then I use my comb and detangle it out. Then I add my twisting cream and I finger rake that through my hair. Then I add my Equal Style gel and I finger rake that through, and I twist my hair. Simple, easy. And my twists be looking nice and juicy. Now for me, this hairstyle wasn't meant to be perfect or like really neat. So yeah, what you see is how I wanted it to look. And I honestly fell in love with it. This is my new favorite hairstyle. I love this hairstyle so much. It's so easy and simple, and it's really cute. And I took some really bomb pictures, so make sure you watch until the end so that you can see them.